Hi guys, I want to show you how to get to Spelling City today, how to log in, and how to see all of your assignments. We will be starting using Spelling City a lot next week and the weeks on from that. So I want to just make sure that you know how to do it. So we're going to go up here, we're going to type in spellingcity.com. Okay. It's going to bring me to this page. I'm going to go up here and hit login. And then I'm a student, and then I'll enter my student information. I'm going to use Aiden's because he doesn't have internet access. So I will enter his username. Then I will enter the password. Okay, and then I'll hit sign in. After I hit sign in, it's going to bring me to this page. This is where all of your assignments are going to be. So right here it tells you that 4-2, which is today, this is your assignment for today. So it says, your spelling quiz will be tomorrow. Please take this practice quiz to help you know which words to work on. So I'll click on the spelling quiz, and then I'll hit play. And then it will start here. So it'll give you a word, and then you just type it in and hit next, and then it will keep going. Okay. All right. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Otherwise, all of your assignments will be posted here, and this is where the quiz will be as well.